Ang lugar po namin ay kilala sa tawag noon na Smoky Mountain. Noon, ang pagbabasura ang pangunahing hanap buhay. Ang mga magulang namin, nasa tambakan ng basura, karamihan sa kanila ay hindi nakapag-aral. Pero kami na mga anak ay nagpupursige na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral.
Nagkaroon kami ng mga problema dati. Siyempre, nagkaroon ng pandemic. Kaya ang sinabi ko sa mga players dati, kailangan kung gusto nyo rin marating talagang gusto nyo tagumpay, dapat mag-aral mabuti.
Karamihan po kasi sa mga bata po dito is talagang kapos-palad. Kaya naman malaking bagay itong project ng JCI Manila para sa mga kabataan.
Jeep Johnson, a chairman for Smoky Mountain Football Club.
John Alfred Sagertan, JCI Manila Project Chairman for Smoky Mountain Learning Center.
John David Roque, and I am the chairman for the Smoky Mountain Youth Center.
Mon Bergonia, I'm the project chairman of Project Safe Steps.
Sa mga bata na nandito ngayon, ang gusto lang namin sabihin sa inyo, isa lang ang mensahe namin. May mga tao naniniwala sa inyo. May mga tao nandito para sa inyo kung kailangan nyo ng tulong. Huwag kayong matatakot. Huwag kayong mag-aalangan na humingi ng tulong.
When education is the least priority for the community, we try to encourage and give hope and opportunity for the children.
It really is touching my heart. I was able to interact with the kids earlier, and you can see na mahirap talaga yung buhay nila dito, and they really need the education. For me, it's hard to see the youth struggling in their families.
Smoky Mountain Youth Center is going to renovate the existing facilities of the area to accommodate the needs of the users and the players there. Kompleto na sila, wala na silang poproblemahin. Ang kailangan na lang nilang problemahin is paano sila making better sa gusto nilang gawin.
Nung bata po kasi ako, takot pa po sila mama na maglaro ng football. Dahil sa JCI, natupad ko po yung pangarap ko na maglaro.
When I was a kid, I used to play football and it really instilled me discipline. It instilled me resilience. And of course, it instilled me the love of the game itself.
So I can acknowledge the hard work and the inspirational work that people are doing here at JCI in inspiring the youth to get involved in programs like basketball and soccer, because it really allows young people to get involved in things that matter and get them occupied with sports. And this can also lead to education and opportunities for work as well in the future.
Little by little, kaya siya safe steps is little by little, like baby steps, we'll try to educate para lahat malaman kung ano ba and papaano ba nagaganap ang child sexual abuse and exploitation.
Malaking bagay na ang mga kabataan ay matuto na magsabi ng ayoko pag sila ay nakakaramdam na ng pang-abuso.
I can't help it. I nearly cried before seeing the kids, the youth running around, and they didn't have, like, they had nothing, but they were still so happy. Like, this really reinstates for me that I want to be able to help the community and help provide to them.
Nung wala pang JCI, bali, kung ano-ano pong mga sapatos yung ginagamit namin, minsan nakayapak po kami naglalaro sa field.
Dahil sa football, nadala ako kung saan ako ngayon. At nais kong ipamahagi ito sa mga kabataan, lalo na dito sa Smoky Mountain.
Sana in the future, marami pang players ang makisali at ma-experience din ng ibang kabataan yung mga naranasan.
I feel so blessed that I could be a part of an organization that is reaching out to the youth and continuing to better our future.
Lahat ng kabataan ay kailangang protektado.
Naniniwala po ako na sa tulong ng JCI Manila at ng Miss Universe na kami po ay matutulungan na mas pagandahin at paunlarin yung kabuhayan ng mga residente namin. Para na sa gayon, yung nakakabit na pag nakatira sa Smoky Mountain ay mahihirap, kulang sa edukasyon, mapalitan na at talagang mapanindigan namin yung lugar namin na Paradise Heights.
With this cause, what we do is ma-amplify natin yung message, and with the help of Miss Universe Philippines is truly mas ma-spread out natin yung word.